Hi, this is how I look now. This is the reason I bought pop-on veneers. As you can see, I have that. They pop on. How do they look? I think they look great. As you can see, they fit tight, they don't shift. I have a great smile, the cuff, the double, and I love it. This is why I choose these pop-on veneers. They gave me my confidence back, I got my smile back, and I really appreciate it, and it's just a joy. No movement, as you can see, they fit well. How do you like it? I love them. They're worth it. I appreciate it, and I got me back now. Simple. Thank you. I love them.